Hi, my name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and we are here again in Trevi subdivision in Marikina City to show you this 3-bedroom house and lot. Okay, so if you're going to see the exterior of the house, marami siyang corners and you also have a lot of pocket gardens. Meron tayong dito sa harapan, and you can see mga pocket garden also inside. And we have your pedestrian gate here on my left and your gate for your cars here on my right. So, let's go inside para makita natin kung ano itsura ng bahay. So the first thing that you will see with the house is actually yung pahaba niyang garage. And yung ating garage or yung parking space or parking slots, may akasya dito 3 kotse. So pa diretso siyang ganyan. And kahit sedan SUV, kasyang-kasya dito 3 kotse. And this is one of the parang features of the house kasi alam naman natin mahirap makahanap ng mga bahay na 3 or more parking spaces, kaya maganda din to, and I think a lot of buyers will enjoy this house. And aside from that, marami tayong pocket gardens included kasi yung setback natin may landscaping na siya. So here we have again your parking space, and sa dulo meron ka pang pocket garden, and we have doors na makikita nyo doon, pero tingnan muna natin yung ating main door, which is this one. And it's a big solid main door, and meron tayong mga locks for security. So let's go inside. So for the interior, the first thing that you will notice is yung big living space natin. So this is our living area, and you can mount your TV here. Meron tayong wall na accented with wooden design, and then we have your floorings na made out of porcelain tiles. I think this is 60 by 60 porcelain tiles, and we have your lighting fixture sa taas na medyo bilog siya na mukhang may pagka-contemporary. And we have your kitchen here sa likod ko. So this is made of granite, and we have a lot of cupboards, drawers, spaces here. We have your big sink na aluminum faucet, and we have your range hood here, exhaust, and we have your provision for your cooktop. And we have meron tayong ditong pull out for your plates, utensils, so you can put a lot of things here para hindi na mukhang cluttered yung bahay kasi matatago yung mga plato natin with this pull out. And then here we have your provision for your refrigerator, and we have cupboards here. Yan. So this is your refrigerator will be placed. And we have a big mirror here to add parang illusion of space dito sa ating first floor. So yun yung ating main functionality of this big mirror. Aside from the living area, and actually this is also your dining area, we also have your bathroom here. We have a bathroom here. So close lang natin itong main door. Yan. So we have a bathroom here. So this one is underneath the staircase, so na-maximize yung ating space, and pababa siya. And we have your complete water fixtures of sink, water closet, and we have your rainfall shower na directly above the head. So just to put you into perspective, I'm 5'2", so kung medyo matangkad kayo, hindi kayo, parang sakto lang yung height nyo dito. So maybe you can use the other bathrooms here. But if you're small like me, saktong-sakto lang dun, and gusto ko yung ganun. So we have a door here. This is a bedroom. This is intended for the seniors kasi this is a bedroom on the ground floor or on the first floor. And of course, we have a lot of windows for more natural light and air circulation kung gusto nyo buksan. And we have a built-in cabinet here, a very massive built-in cabinet. Yan. So, pwede natin buksan to see what's inside. And we have your drawers if you want to put siguro yung ating mga underwears and clothes dito, and then other things sa taas. Yan. So, meron din tayong table para if you want to work. Alam naman natin na work from home tayo, so you can put your laptop here or maybe do your work or whatever your work is, you can do that here. And then, we can go upstairs to see the other bedrooms. Yan. So again, this is another view of your living area. And meron tayong maliit na storage dito for your other things. Yan. So yung ating staircase, made of wood yung ating railing, pero ito ay made of metal. Pero this one is made of wood. And then wooden planks din yun with cement yung ating stair steps. So, let's go upstairs to see the other bedrooms. So here sa ating second floor, obviously meron tayong lighting fixture dito which is also included in the sale. And we also have fixed windows for more natural light dito sa sa opposite side ko. So we have a receiving area here on my left and we have your doors for your bedrooms. So we have a door here which is actually the balcony. So tingnan muna natin to before we see the other bedrooms. So this is relatively a big size for a balcony. We have your railings made out of metal. And of course, you can do your coffee here, relax here, maybe read some online articles or maybe watch something here. Pero it's very relaxing. I like the ambience of this place. And alam niyo naman, Marikina is a very prosperous city, very clean city, and a lot of commercial establishments na malapit na dito. So let's go back inside to see the other bedrooms. So yung ating other bedrooms, it's just along this hallway. Okay, so let's go inside this one. This is actually, you can call this the master bedroom kasi it has its own balcony. And it's relatively a big space then, and it's also located at the facade of the property. So again, we have your sliding window for more natural light. And we have your provision for your window type aircon. And we also have lots of spaces for your cabinet or for your things dahil meron tayong built-in cabinet dito. And again, let's open it to see what's inside just to give you an idea. Yan. So this is what the built-in cabinet looks like. So sarado na natin. And then tignan muna natin itong balcony. So if you want a quicker access to your balcony or to your own balcony, meron siya. So again, you can have your coffee here or maybe again read some online articles. Orientation pala of the house is facing east or sunrise. So if you really like houses facing east, this is also a nice option to look at. So tingnan naman natin yung bathroom ng ating master bedroom, which is here. And then yung ating mga solid doors. So for the bathroom, again, we have complete fixtures of your water closet, sink, and we have your rainfall shower na directly above your head. And meron din tayong mirror, of course, and a bidet, which is very important for me. Okay, so tingnan natin yung last na remaining pa. Tingnan natin yung remaining bedroom sa house, which is this one, just beside it, the master bedroom. Yeah, so this one is located sa parang back part of the house. So you can have a view of your pocket garden here. Actually, you can also actually call this your master bedroom kasi malaki din siya. And malaki din yung ating built-in cabinets. And meron ka din provision for your window type aircon. And you also have your own bathroom. And then for the floorings pala, they are made of solid wooden planks. So you can actually call this your master bedroom. So it really depends on your perspective. So either way, malaki yung parehong bedroom. So tingnan natin. And this one pala, mas malaki yung bathroom niya. So I think it's more appropriate na master bedroom to. So yun nga, mas malaking space for your bathroom. Pero the same materials, same idea. We have your rainfall shower directly above your head. We have your water fixtures, your water closet or your toilet, and we have your sink and meron ka pang drawer or cabinet sa ilalim. So before we end our video, hindi pala namin napakita sa inyo yung service area. So let's go downstairs para ipakita sa inyo before we end the video. Okay, so let's go. So our service area is located behind the house. So we have another door here beside dun sa main door. Yan. So yung ating service area is located here. And maganda naman dito is may bubong na siya or may ceiling ka na. So if you just want to cook here dito sa ating dirty kitchen, hindi kayo maulanan, hindi kayo mainitan. And malaki din yung counter spaces natin. It's a very long slab of granite. And then here we have your service area. So pwede ka maglaba dito. You can put your laundry here. You can put your washing machine here. And meron tayong libreng basahan dito. And then here on my left, there's actually a space here, and this is actually the intended provision for your maid's room. So dahil wala pa maid's room yung house, and if you need a maid's room, dito natin gagawin since meron na tayong abang for your electricity and for your water. So there, and you also have your setback here na this is the right part of the house. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you liked the house, and if not, you can comment what do you think of this house, ano yung mga nagustuhan nyo, ano yung mga hindi nyo nagustuhan. And you can also comment down below, or you can comment down ano yung mga pwede nyong tips na ibigay para sa ating mga real estate developers or mga build and sell people, so we can really improve the houses that we see every day in our country. So that's it for this video. My name is Marty Hernandez, licensed real estate broker, and I hope to see you in my next real estate video. Keep safe.